Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this stock report for Nvidia. The report was first published on our website Wednesday, June 22, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Our aim is to help you answer the question, should I buy or sell Nvidia? In this video, you will get insight into the technical and fundamental situation and future price predictions. Please remember to subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since June 22, 2022, our system ranks the Nvidia stock as a sell candidate, giving it a score of -0.714. Over the next few days we will see how this evaluation performs. In our daily updates for Nvidia, our last headline reads, Nvidia stock upgraded to hold/accumulate. The Nvidia stock price fell by -1.24% on the last day, Wednesday, June 22, 2022, from $165.66 to $163.60. During the day the stock fluctuated 2.98% from a day low at $161.80 to a day high of $166.62. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by -13.56% for this period. Volume fell on the last day along with the stock, which is actually a good sign as volume should follow the stock. On the last day, the trading volume fell by -5 million shares and in total, 44 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $7.15 billion. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $346.47, and the lowest price was $153.28. Right now the price is 52.78%, or $182.87, below 52-week high at $346.47, which also is all-time high for the stock. The stock lies in the middle of a very wide and falling trend in the short term, and further fall within the trend is signaled. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible -37.55% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -45.53% and -29.38%. The 12-month trend indicates a -2.98% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between -6.94% and 95.18%. This equals a price between $152.24 and $319.32 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. From analysts, Nvidia stock received a general strong buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the Nvidia stock a neutral rating. In this section we will give you some information about signals found for Nvidia. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the stock. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, June 16, 2022, and so far it has risen 4.87%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. The Nvidia stock holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, however, the long-term average holds a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, there is a general sell signal in the stock giving a more negative forecast for the stock. On further gains, the stock will meet resistance from the long-term moving average at $175.54. On a fall, the stock will find some support from the short-term average at $160.60. A breakup through the long-term average will give another buy signal, while a fall below the short-term average will add another sell signal and strengthen the general signal. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume fell together with the price during the last trading day, and this reduces the overall risk as volume should follow the price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence holds a sell signal. Pivots gave a buy signal 4 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 66 days ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 10 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 8 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a sell signal 10 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a sell signal 57 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 53 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Nvidia. Nvidia finds support from accumulated volume at $161.75, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. This stock may move much during the day, volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $4.82 between high and low, or 2.98%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 4.08%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Nvidia. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Nvidia currently has a price-earning ratio of 50.20. A high price-to-earnings ratio could mean that a company's stock is overvalued, or else that investors are expecting high growth rates in the future. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Nvidia meets first resistance at $169.75. If you do not hold Nvidia shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, Nvidia finds first level of support at $161.75, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. In the table we have listed other potential swing trading levels based on the famous Fibonacci model. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Nvidia is strong buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. On June 15, 2022, Showquist Deborah made an inside sell of 8,996 of common stock. On June 15, 2022, Puri Ajay K made an inside sell of 10,813 of common stock. On June 15, 2022, Robertson Donald F. Jr. made an inside sell of 2,608 of common stock. On June 15, 2022, Huang Zhen HSUN made an inside sell of 15,835 of common stock. On June 15, 2022, Cress Colette made an inside sell of 11,893 of common. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative at a ratio of -18.792. In total, the insiders bought 4,115,167 and sold 5,900,224 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is $156.10, minus 4.59%. This stock has high daily movements, and this gives high risk. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 3 days ago. Is Nvidia stock a buy? Nvidia holds several positive signals, but we still don't find these to be enough for a buy candidate. At the current level, it should be considered as a hold candidate, hold or accumulate, in this position whilst awaiting further development. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a sell to a hold/accumulate candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For the trading on Thursday 23rd, we expect Nvidia to open up 41 cents and start trading at $164.01. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. And remember to subscribe to the channel to get all the latest videos and updates.